welcome to the Passport Smile channel. Today we're going to be discussing our experience at the Memphis State Park campsite. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. If you're new to our channel, thank you for tuning in, and be sure to hit that subscribe button below, and we hope you enjoy the content. Please come back because we are going to do a comparison of some of the different campsites that we stayed at during our RV road adventure. So stay tuned.
We party all around the world. We party all around the world. We party all around the world.
I personally haven't been to many state parks, but of those, this one was the largest. There were cabins, group camp areas, fishing, a nature center, picnics, shelters and playgrounds, boating, camping, hiking and bike trails, and a golf course. At the park, we personally plan to fish for dinner, make s'mores, and do some hiking. The state park itself is about 13,000 acres of hardwood bottomland area bordering the Mississippi River, featuring bald cypress, tupelo swamp, and 2 lakes. This area is a favorite for bird watching, with over 200 species of birds, including the American bald eagle.
The office at the entrance even features bird feeders and benches where you would be able to watch birds up close feeding if you didn't feel like driving into the park, which the drive into the park is a long one. When we went to pay for our fishing permit, which you have to fish, and the permit's only about $2 per person, we were asked if we wanted to rent a boat, and we immediately decided to, because for me, the bank fishing, there was a lot of poop all around it, so we had to really be careful where we stepped, and it was almost impossible to maneuver around. Whereas Kavina just liked the idea of the experience of boating, which unfortunately was stolen from her, but next time. There's always next time. But I didn't know what we were getting ourselves into when we signed up for this boating. But all in all, the experience wasn't too bad. But for first timers, it took us a good while to get into a good rhythm. So no one seems to be catching any fish, it's including us. But I did come really close. I was reeling in my rod, and as I was reeling it in to throw it back out, I saw a fish coming up, but I moved a little too quickly. So again, next time.
Our first encounter with the community showers was at the state park, which made me feel like I was back in college, I will admit, especially with the shower caddy and the shower shoes. It was okay. Like, I didn't know what to expect, but I was like, I know I can get through this. But the water pressure was hard and the water was hot. 2 things we didn't even get in our hotel stay in Memphis. So already it was like, check, I'm here. There were a few moths in the shower that didn't leave as the water was running, nor as I entered the shower, but that didn't bother me, so I didn't bother them.
Well, they bothered me. One of those moths flew right at me while I was taking a shower, but it was okay. They didn't fly around anymore after that, so no big deal. The selected parking spot that we chose was in the back of the campsite in a cul-de-sac, which offered a little bit of solitude and privacy, which we were looking for. It did have a hiking trail right behind it. The intention was for us to get on that trail and take a morning hike. However, we decided not to the next morning. One of the things that we didn't give any thought or attention to was the distance from where we decided to park to the showers and the restrooms. So definitely something that we'll keep in mind next time we decide to do an RV trip. We'll consider the distance of the showers and the restrooms, especially since we decided we didn't really care to use the shower or the toilet on the RV.
Hopefully this gives you an idea of what it's like staying in a state park if you're considering it. For more content on tips, tricks, reviews, and hacks, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. Also, follow us on your social media platform of choice for other cultural experiences and more.